Ladies and gentlemen, I have arrived at the Little Havana. Man, it's like literally walking into a new city. Jeez, man. The ambience is amazing. Let's explore a little bit more. Some of you may or may not know, but Little Havana is Miami's vibrant Cuban heart. Like literally, it's mini Cuba. So it's filled with Latin American art galleries, busy restaurants, cafes. I mean, you can walk up to windows, people selling Cuban coffee, to cigar smoking, name it, you will find it here. Literally, this is a mini Havana. Beautiful murals inside the Little Havana. For the McDonald's lovers. I'm not gonna step in there.
$1, pina, cacahuete, manicero. $1, pina. $1 make it happen. $1.
This one guy is selling peanuts saying it's $1, but it sounded like the peanuts are called $1. Welcome to the Little Havana. Damn, that looks like it's from Africa, huh? Ooh la la. Amazing. I bought myself our bracelets from this nice little place here. So I'm trying to find something to eat. Hello. Table for one?
One?
Yes.
Want to see at the bar?
No.
Prefer table?
Yes.
Voy con un hongo.
Waiting to be sat here. Actually, the lady who sold me this bracelet recommended this restaurant. She said, okay, this is one of the nice restaurants for tourists. Good food is served here, and to be honest, she was right. I love the vibe already. I mean, there's a lot of loud music. I cannot put my sound on. But yeah, I'm here to celebrate, my journey all the way. And here is the food, guys. What can I say? I'm in cloud 9. Let's try it out. Now that my tummy is full, it's time for me to go find me some either coffee or some ice cream, all right? But before we do that, we have to burn some calories. And before we burn some calories, I need to step right in here. Let's go to the Domino Park. Yes, ice cream time. Ooh, good lord, I could not wait. And I'm gonna grab some coffee, flavor. After staying a few days in Miami, I realized a lot of people, like more than 50%, speak Spanish. And most of them are coming from, all the South American countries, Cuba and, the likes, Mexico and whatnot. So apparently, Little Havana is home to many Cuban exiles, yeah, as well as many immigrants from Central and South America, and it's literally named after the Havana, the capital city of Cuba. So it really does make sense why it's more cultural sensed into the Cuban way as opposed to the American culture, if any. Oh, good Lord! Do not quote me, please. Walking down the streets of Little Havana. Guys, I actually discovered that Little Havana emerged in the 1960s, that name itself, because initially it was well known for a Jewish neighborhood in the 1930s. I mean, that goes literally way, way, way back, yeah. I mean, these days it's called Little Havana, and it's literally just lying immediately west of downtown Miami. I'm actually gonna give an honest opinion about the Cuban coffee. It is actually nice. However, I don't like my coffee with sugar, and that's why you saw my face a little bit unhappy, because I'm like, coffee, sugar, yeah. You know so well I'm not gonna wrap my day without buying some souvenirs. So this is me wrapping up the day. I'm about to step out, and I'm gonna grab my bus shortly. Back in the bus.
Is somebody here?
No. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. I have a lot of videos about Miami, so just stay tuned, and I'll see you guys soon enough. Adios.